I got the question asking how to sort a column from highest to lowest based on the results. And the answer to that is there's many different ways. It depends on what your use case is. So the easiest way is to simply highlight the entire range that you want to sort, then click on Filter. Click on the Filter button for the column that you want to sort, and then since you want highest to lowest, you'll sort Z to A. And now you can see everything sorted from Z to A in just a couple of seconds. Another way you can do it is simply select the range, go to Insert, Pivot Table. We'll insert this into an existing sheet right here. And then you can put the associate in rows and the test results in value. And then where it says sort by, you can do sum of test results. And then since we want to have it in descending order, we'll select descending. And once again, now we have the same results, but it's all in pivot table form. Now, if you don't want to use pivot tables, you don't want to use filters, there is a formula. And this is good when you have a live data stream that you want to update. So there's two different formulas. One, you can do sort, and this gives you the ability to simply sort just like we were before. But you can do sort in, and this allows you to limit the amount of rows that you want to see. So for example, I can sort our range again. And let's say I want to see just the top 10. I can type in 10. And this next part is how to display ties. So for example, if both people have 75%, we're going to skip over that. We don't need it. And then we need the sort column. This is the number of column, not the letter. So this is our second column. And then after that, we need to put whether it's ascending or descending. Since we want highest to lowest, we are going to put false because we want it to be descending. Now I can press enter and I have the top 10 based on their test results in order from highest to lowest. Now the most complicated but super user-friendly once you know how to use it is query. And you can do this in a couple of seconds. So I can type equals query and then select the range. And then I'm going to put my query. So I'm going to say select star, which is select all columns, where A is not null, order by B. And if I went ahead and pasted that there, I have every single item on that list. I have it from lowest to highest because I did not add in the descending aspect. So I'm going to put descending. And now I have the same list as we had before. And if I want to limit it, I can say limit 10. And now I have that same exact results as I had before with the SORTN formula, but it's all within one query. And you can do a lot with query. This is just one example of it. So that's a few ways to sort from highest to lowest within a column. Hope you like it.